So I'm fucking exhausted right now. It's 4 something. Got let out of work early. Getting ready to. I didn't get to feed my cats this morning because of the rain. So I'm here at the Family Dollar. I slept outside when I was homeless to get some cat food. They should have some cat food here. Let me see. I don't have the kind that I usually buy, so it's a 22-pound bag for 22 for 22. I guess we'll get that one better. I know they prefer this other one, but make sure they got that cat food. Yeah, it's usually a big purple bag. All right, here we go. I've been up since 3:45. I'm exhausted, man. I'm exhausted. But this is my gotta take care of these triceps. It's a joke. Here we go. Do this. Alright. We got soap, we got toothpaste, we got coffee. That's it. Go feed my cats. This is what lights me up inside. This is the reason for the season. This is what I live for, just to be honest with you. I like feeding my cats every day, seeing these little fuckers come out with this. I mean, I wouldn't be still here on this earth if I didn't. If I didn't have these cats, I'll tell you that right now. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be alive. I wouldn't be buying one of these ice cream bars from my dog. But you know what I mean? Like I just, as corny as that sounds, that shit save my life. All right. Ra-da-da-da-da.